Hi, I'm Megan.
I'm Ciera.
And I'm Maggie.
And we're from the Gymnastics too. Welcome to Flipping Friday.
Today we are going to be playing this game, which is called Fantastic Gymnastics.
So Hasbro sent us this game and they wanted us to try it out, and we think it's a really cool idea. It's pretty hard, but it's also really fun.
It's very hard.
So after we're done playing this game on this table, we're going to incorporate it into a real life game on the actual bar.
So let's get started.
Okay, so how this game works is there's a gymnast on here and he's attached to the bar right here. And there's a button down here that makes his legs move. Is it on or off? Okay. It makes his legs move, and his legs moving is what gives him the momentum to spin around. You have to get him to spin around and do a giant, and after he does a giant, you want him to do a flyaway. And so there's a button on the side, that's the red button that lets him go. And you have to try and get him to land on the green right here. That's 100 points. The red's 25. The yellow is 50, and if he falls and crashes, that's 0 points, which happens a lot.
It's so hard, you guys.
Yeah.
I've never done it, so
Maggie and I have practiced a little more than Maggie because it shipped to our house, so we practice it.
I've never landed it, but it's fine.
Alright, so I'm going to be going first. This actually comes with a bracket system, but since we only have 3 people, we're just gonna kind of take rounds and see who has the most points at the end of however many rounds we do. So I'm all set. Okay.
It's a stressful game.
Get it going first.
Crash and burn.
0 points.
Okay.
Now it's my turn. Okay. Gotta stop spinning.
It took Ciera 10 minutes to get it to just go around the first time.
Oh, that was so close.
Oh my.
Okay, 0 points for me.
Honestly, I'm scared.
Set up right.
Watch Maggie get 100 right now.
Yeah, they fooled me. I'm scared. Ah! What?
You did it! Oh my goodness! Okay, so now we have to look. Since it's kind of in the green and yellow.
It's mostly yellow, probably.
It's
Well,
Yeah, it's mostly yellow because this side, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
I got 50!
Wow, congrats!
I knew this would happen. I was
Dude, I was just
Okay, let's move on to the next round.
Alright, so going into round 2, me and Ciera both at 0 and Maggie's at 50.
the impossible does
So-
happen, guys.
I gotta make up for it. That was really bad.
Okay, sometimes they're really bad tries, and I'm it's either bad or good. Honestly, it's really bad or perfect.
I know.
Hopefully
And once you do
I'm
it one, you're like, okay guys, this is how it's done.
Yeah, I was doing really good at this yesterday. Hopefully I do better at the real life game.
Dang it.
Maggie's gonna come by and be 100 points.
Oh, go.
You're pressing it when it's going forward. You have to press it when it's on the back.
There you go.
Oh, that was close.
That was pretty close, actually.
Alright, no points in that round.
Okay, guys, so this is the last round. I have one more chance to redeem myself. Let's do it. Okay, I was no, that's not going. I can't get it to go that fast. Okay.
It's hard. Honestly, when I first saw it, I was oh, it doesn't look that hard, but
I was
it's hard.
At first, I didn't think it would even need Velcro. I was okay, that's a little too helpful, But it definitely needs Velcro. Otherwise, there's no chance. Dang it! I didn't pike it before I went.
Kind of looks like a lifeguard.
So Maggie wins no matter what it is.
Yeah.
Just see how much I win by, though. At least I've gotten mine to flip. Before this, I literally couldn't get it to flip.
Alright, now we're going to move on to the real life game.
Alright, so since Maggie won the actual game over there, the game comes with a medal, so she gets to
Such a
wear
pretty medal.
this. Wow, she's the official judge of our actual game.
Gymnast.
And as you can see over here on the floor, we set up our makeshift like stick it thing. So the green's going to be 100 points, yellow is 50, and then the red is 25, and if we don't land in it or if we fall, then that's 0.
Okay, so I'm going first, and one of the rules we forgot to mention is when you're landing, you have to stick it. Otherwise, it's counting as 0 points. So this is gonna be really hard. Maybe harder than that game, maybe not. That game is like impossible. So I'm just gonna do. Okay, get set. All right. Here we go. Dang it!
0 points, no stick. Would have been 100 though. And then the right spot. Just on your butt.
Alright, round 1 for me. Okay.
No
Dang
stick.
it.
0 points.
Alright, round 2. Okay, at least land.
Oh, dang it. Got one more round to prove
0
myself.
points.
Round 2.
Oh, 100 points in the green.
Woo!
Ah! 0 points,
Close though.
but very close.
Dang it. Alright, so this is my last round, and since Ciera already went and she got 0, that means I automatically win. But let's try and make it 200. Okay. Ow. Dang it.
So Megan is the winner with 100 points, and Ciera sadly, Ciera got 0.
Okay, so Megan won that challenge. I lost completely by getting 0 points. So I'm gonna take the medal off Maggie, sorry,
Still a winner though. It's
and give it to Megan for winning that challenge.
Woo!
So she's the real life fantastic gymnastics winner. Maggie's the
Maggie.
game version.
So we're like, our heads are too big.
I know.
But like,
Yeah, that's
pretend.
how it works.
Pretend.
Pretend that you both
Here.
You both won.
Both fights.
Since it is Flipping Friday, that means there's a new TC2 crew member of the week. So this week's TC2 crew member is...
If you want a chance to be next week's TC2 crew member, all you have to do is hashtag TC2 crew member on a picture of you doing cheer or gymnastics on Instagram.
If you liked watching us play this game, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you think it would be a fun game to play. I think it is.
Yeah, also, we're going to be continuing playing this game on
Since we
TC2
did
Extras.
so bad in this video.
yeah, so we're going to play it some more so you can get the hang of it in TC2 Extras. That'll be linked down below.
Also, when you're on TC2 Extras, you guys should subscribe because we are doing Vlogmas right now, which means we are uploading vlogs every day from up until Christmas. So you should go check it out and subscribe. Also, if you want to subscribe to this channel, either click the red button down below or click our icon over there.
If you want to get some of our merch, click the t-shirt over there.
And if you want to watch our last video, just click it right there.
And we'll see you next week.
Bye!